guys, this is the cleaning stuff that I'm gonna use it for sink and also for the cooker. So you need the Viacal and the sift cream for taking off the hard stain or stubborn stain, I mean. So guys, I'm gonna share to you how I clean my sink. Guys, this is the hard water. It's a Limescale and it will come off later on when I apply with the Viacal. First thing you're going to do is to wear the gloves because their chemical are very strong. So this is the Viacal spray. It's Limescale remover and also to help remove bacteria. And the same with this, but it's just the this one is the spray, and this one is the liquid. And the sieve, you can also this is you can use for bathroom, cooker, and the sink or the tub. So it's also very good at taking off the stubborn stain. Right. And you need the sponge and the G-cloth. But I'm going to use the old sponge, so I'm gonna throw it after, and this and the cloth. So I'm going to use the spray. So you just spray it all over the hair. And also spray the top all over here, just to just spread them everywhere here, and then leave it for 5 minutes till it absorb or soak, and then apply some sieve on top of it, and the same here, just let it soak for a while. So that's been 5 minutes. So you just wet the cloth, sponge, and then put some more, and then you just rub it in hard as you can, guys. Just really rub it in there. Scrub the all over the sink. So just rub it in. Rub that like that till and then leave it for 1 minute. So the same in here, just scrub it here with the this one. So apply them here, guys. You see the sink is really clean and shiny afterwards here. So you just scrub it hard and leave it 1 minute. Okay, including the top, just clean it up. Very good. And it's gonna be spotless, shiny. So leave it for 1 minute after you apply the sieve. Guys, so just rinse it everywhere and put plug here. Just plug it here. Just you have to wear your gloves, guys, because the chemical is really strong. Just rinse it everywhere. Okay, all the bubbles all disappear. So there. Just rinse it properly, thoroughly, so all the bubbles goes everywhere. Now you see the finishing is nice and clean. As you can see, guys, it's very shiny and clean, and all the limescale is gone and disappear. See it, guys, it's really clean and shiny. So finishing is maybe just dry them with the kitchen roll, kitchen paper, and you see the sink is really clean and shiny. Come off all the stain and limescale. So you do this after you cook or before you go to bed. So when you get up in the morning, you got a really nice and shiny sink. Oh, there you go, guys. It's everywhere. And then the water's